According to the law of attraction, thoughts are forms of energy that vibrate at a particular frequency. Positive thoughts are believed to vibrate at higher frequencies, while negative thoughts vibrate at lower frequencies. These vibrations are said to emit into the universe. But what is the law of attraction? In today's video, I'll be taking you through how the law of attraction is believed to work, as well as some of the criticism and skepticism around its validity. Also, you will want to stick around until the end, as I'm going to share the biggest benefit from a therapeutic perspective that no one else seems to mention. The law of attraction is a belief or concept that suggests that like attracts like, and that positive or negative thoughts can bring about corresponding positive or negative experiences into a person's life. While the law of attraction is often associated with New Age or self-help movements, it has its roots in earlier philosophical and spiritual teachings. Here's an explanation of how the law of attraction is thought to work. Number 1. Attracting similar energies. The universe is considered to be responsive to those vibrations and is said to operate like a vast magnet. The law of attraction states that the energy you emit through your thoughts and feelings will attract similar energies or vibrations from the universe. Number 2. Like attracts like. Therefore, if you're constantly thinking positive thoughts and focusing on positive emotions, you will attract positive experiences and opportunities into your life. On the other hand, if you predominantly dwell on negative thoughts, you're more likely to attract negative experiences. Number 3. Visualization and belief. Visualization and belief play essential roles in the law of attraction. By vividly imagining your desired outcome and having absolute belief in their attainment, you're supposedly sending powerful signals to the universe, leading it to manifest those desires in your life. Number 4. Taking inspired action. The law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking. You must also take inspired action towards your goals and desires. This means aligning your actions with your intentions and being open to recognizing and seizing opportunities that come your way. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I have no doubt that you will, as I manifested all your likes yesterday. Some criticism and skepticism. The law of attraction has been met with skepticism by many people, predominantly scientists. Critics argue that there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of such a universal law, or the ability to manifest one's desires solely through positive thinking. While positive thinking and visualization can be beneficial in terms of fostering a proactive mindset and building self-confidence, they say they are not enough on their own to bring about real-world results, and state that real-life success often requires hard work, strategic planning, and dealing with setbacks. Here is the most amazing benefit that nobody seems to mention. Coming from a therapist's point of view, the main advantage to focusing on positive feelings, gratitude, and visualizing a life that you want in the future is literally how amazing you feel during and after the practice itself. Look at it this way: if the only thing you get from the practice is an immediate boost in positive energy, then it's worth its weight in gold. For me, this is the whole point of why I practice it every day. To me, the actualization of the things I'm manifesting into reality is really the cherry on the cake, but it's not something I'm too focused on, as if they don't manifest, then you're back to feeling negative and hopeless. I suggest getting as creative as you can with your visualizations and just bask in the positive vibes you get from the practice itself. In conclusion, the law of attraction states that by focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, individuals can attract positive experiences into their lives. However, its effectiveness is subject to debate, and many believe that a more balanced and action-oriented approach is necessary to achieving meaningful goals and outcomes. However, like I've stated, if all you get from the practice is an immediate boost in positivity and feeling great, then, in my book, it's worth its weight in gold.